In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Apple ID without credit card. While back, you had to enter either your credit card or your debit card, but now they added a feature to skip that or to not put any card into your account. So first thing we need to do, we need to click on the sign in. And then in here, we need to click on don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. And then in here, click on create Apple ID. And right here, just choose your birthday. And this is all gonna be fake. I'm just doing this for this video tutorial only. And then right here, I'm just gonna type testing, then click next. And then I'm gonna use my current email address. And then I'm gonna check that. And I'm gonna click next. And then password. And then next. And right here, you'll have to put your phone number to verify your identity with a text or a phone call. And then I'm gonna press next. Once you enter your verification code, you'll see this terms and conditions page. You can scroll down, you can read through all this and then click on agree. And then agree one more time. And if you have passcode set up on your iPad, you'll have to enter it now. That's it. Apple ID is created and it actually never asks for a credit card or a debit card number. There is one more step you have to do. You have to verify your email. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to use iCloud or App Store. So to do that, just log in into your email and you'll have an email from Apple and then you'll just have to press on verify now. Once you're going to do that, you'll get this Apple verification code. You'll have to enter this through your email. And once you do that, press OK. And that's it. Email is verified. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.